Today I'm going to be looking at further testing the Autobright Direct products that I used in the previous video, whilst working on this very dirty Jag. And straight off the bat you should notice that I've got my nice new IK pump sprayer. I've also got a nice new IK foamer that we're going to be using today. First thing I'm going to dive into is the arches. Thankfully these arches have got the nice plastic trim, so they're not too bad to clean. I've went with a similar dilution where I've put 100ml of the citrus pre-wash product into my IK sprayer and then topped up to about 1.5 litres worth of total solution, and I'll use that for the arches in the body of the car. Originally I did plan on this being an ASMR type video, but for some reason my camera didn't pick up any audio whatsoever whilst the wash was getting done, so you'll just have to deal with me narrating through it. I'm using my go-to product for the tyres, which is Auto Glance Rebound, coupled up with my SGCB tyre scrubbing brush, which I'm really enjoying using at the moment. Once all the tyres are done, it's time to crack on with the wheels, and of course I'm using the Autobright Direct wheel shampoo. For this I've got 10ml and 1 litre worth of water in the IK foamer, and I've got 20ml in my wash bucket. Unlike the wheels that I done last week on the Tiguan, which were practically brand new, these wheels have accrued quite a bit of brake dust in the barrows, so I'm not sure just how well the wheel shampoo will tackle this, but I'll touch on that further when I do the full review of this product. Like I mentioned at the start of the video, I've got about 100ml worth of product and topped up to about 1.5 litres in this IK sprayer. This car is more on the dirtier side, so it'll be very interesting to see just how well the citrus pre-wash deals with the level of grime that's built up on this car. So because I've finally seen a little bit of sun today, the citrus pre-wash I found I was only getting 2 to 3 minutes maximum dwell time before it was starting to dry out. So that's all the dwell time that it got before I decided to layer it with the Parma Violet Snow Foam. One thing I didn't notice in the last video, because I had a bit of a cold, was just how incredible this product smells. I love Parma Violets, and this has got an incredible scent to it. Now that the pre-wash phase of the wash is done, I can move on to the contact wash phase. And what I'm doing is I'm going around all the little intricate areas in the vehicle, like all these grills, with some all-purpose cleaner. This is the Blitz Detailing all-purpose cleaner, diluted at a 10:1 dilution in the SGCB trigger spray bottle, and that is one of the KDN Detailing hog's hair brushes. I still don't think he has these back in stock yet, but if he ever does get them, it would be worth grabbing yourself some because they are fantastic brushes. Time for the contact wash now, and for the shampoo I'm going to be again using the Auto Bright Direct Decon shampoo. This is a vehicle that I've never washed before. It doesn't look like there's any protection on it, but I want to make sure that there isn't any protection on it. So going over it with Auto Bright Decon shampoo, just to make sure that I've got a nice, flat, protection-free surface to work with when it comes to putting any protection on later on. And once we're all rinsed off, we can see just how flat the panel is. It looks super glossy, but that's just the panel holding on to all the water that's there. So for the protection, what I'm going to use is the Blitz Detailing Slick Ceramic Quick Detailer. I'm going to use this in its spray on, rinse off method, and the main reason for this is just due to time constraints. I had to get the vehicle back to the owner, so I didn't have time to get it dried off and put a proper coating on, so we'll leave that for the next time. In the meantime, this is going to give us some nice water behaviour, and it should give us between 2 and 4 weeks worth of protection. This car is in dire need of a good decontamination. The paint is quite rough, there's quite a few tar spots, so there was no point in going all in and putting a wax or anything on at the moment. We can leave that for the next time this car's in and get a proper decon and a proper bit of protection put on it. So just before I show you some before and after shots on the vehicle, I'd just like to take this moment to say a massive thanks for watching. I really appreciate all the support and all the comments that I get on these videos. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do think about hitting that subscribe button, hit that like button, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient.